Today I'm going to show you how to make a chessboard. I'm going to use MDF as the main board. I'm going to use a surround of some oak trim, and then I've got some maple, and I've got some European walnut veneer. So this is the walnut. It's got a nice sort of sheen to it, as you can see, and this is the maple. So so the first thing you're going to have to do when you get veneer, it's all misshapen and everything like that, or it may be perfect, but more than likely it won't be. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to spray it with water, or get it in water, and then you'll press it and get it absolutely flat. So what you've got to do is you've got to wet the sheets. Don't cramp it up for 5 to 10 minutes until the laminate has had a chance to accept the water. So wait for 10 minutes, that's broadly it, and then over the days unclamp it, take the paper out, replace the paper, and then clamp it. And I think, after 2 or 3 days, you can see that roll in there, that'll keep the pressure in the centre. So spread it. I'm going to cut the veneers to size, and that's going to require extremely sharp plane and a jig, and I'm making the jig at the moment. But I'm just going to continue sharpening this chisel, and then you'll see what goes on. But as I say, razor sharp tools will be your friend in this video. All we're looking for is a straight edge. Quite pretty square. No hurry. That's perfect. Right, on this one, you see it's a wonderful bit of timber, but it's a little bit split. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut probably about 1 inch off that side, discard that. Then I'm going to use this bit. The reason I'm not using this bit is because I'm saving that for something else, so that'll be like a jewellery box or something. But I'm not being tight. Well, I am being tight. Lovely. Nailed it. Yeah, fits together nicely. Look, see how they go with the others. Fits together quite nicely. Yeah, you can't see the gap, so it's worth spending the time getting them absolutely square and smack on. There we go. Right, the inside looks warm. Let's go. Well, this is the board, MDF, meant to be a very stable substrate, and I've got a very flat piece because it's a new bit of board. Can't get blood on it. It's very sticky, this tape. I suppose that's what you want. Ah, fox! Oh my god! Be careful of the scalpel. There'll be nothing left of me at the end of this. No gaps, which is nice. But this is not the face side. The face side is with the tape on it. Now we've got to cut it. So what we have there is the underside of the chessboard, and I am going to then glue it to this board. Is that I'm going to cut this off at some point and inlay. So this is going to go into a frame, and then there's going to be an inlay between the frame and the edge of the board. So then we'll put sash clamps between there and there. So we'll clamp it right up, and then we'll leave that for overnight. This is one of those jobs where everything's got to be absolutely ready, because I don't think you've got much time to think about it. You've just got to glue it and then get it on, cramp it. If you don't do that, it will curl, and then you've screwed it up. Here we go. Ooh. Bit nervous. Right, there you go, it's cramped up, so I'm going to put this somewhere warm, and well, we'll have a look tomorrow, see what it looks like. It's been about 15 or 20 hours since I glued it all up, so let's have a look. I've already had a look, because I couldn't help myself, because it was just so exciting. but I just wanted to check to see if the glue had taken around the edges and see whether it had curled up, and it looks like it's taken exactly as I would want it to, which is to, as you can see, it's stuck absolutely perfect. Right, so there you go. I've got all the paper off it. I've checked it for gaps, checked it for ripples. It looks as I'd want it to look, you know, with no gaps and all the squares matching up. Right, so that's it for today. So this is the first part. The next part, I'm going to show you how I trim the edges, put a frame round, and then finish it off. So I'm going to use a finish called shellac. Never used it before. It's like a French polishing thing. I'm going to do that next week, probably next Saturday or something like that. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like, hit like, subscribe, leave comments. I'm very, very happy to listen to any comments. Right. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all later. Thanks very much.